Gwaith da. Rediad penderfynol ac ergyd o bell. Mae'n ffôl o gwbl gan Niall Fflint. Wel, fe oedd yr arwr wythnos diwethaf yn ebyn Caernarfon. Ergyd oedd yn lletwyth yn y pen draw i Harry Allen. Fflint yn awyddus i symud y bel yn llydan ac yna nôl mewn i'r canol. Dyma Simmons. Hanner cyfle falle ac back pro. Mae Ron a dwy'n y bel oddi wrtho fe. Simmons yn parhau, clyfar. Creu lle iddi hunan, yn parhau ar Rediad, lawr ag ac i'r smotyn yma'r dyfarnwr yn pwyntio. Dim cwynion gan chwaraewyr Aberystwyth. Yn derbyn y gosb, yn cyfaddau'r drosedd. Wel, Simmons yn paratoi, fe sgorodd yn ebyn Aber fis diwetha. Yn y grasfa yna. A dyw e ddim wedi sgori hyd yn hyn. Arbediad arbennig gan Turner yn y gol, yn isel, yn gadarn iddi dde. A fwyaf chwaraewyr y Fflint i dolan i'r Cwt Cosby, i'r canol, Clark yn ei methu ddi, ond y peniad. Oedd yna gollwn. Ddim llawer o bwer y tu ôl iddi, ond fe oedd hi'n lletwyth i Turner, a fi rhaid i'r golwr i wthio honna heibio'r postyn. Mae'n cyfri fel un o gyfleon gorau'r gêm. Kirkman. Yn thaflu mlaen, Cadwaladr. Dyma Johnny Evans dros i ysgoedd. O, am gol i ennill y gêm! Evans! Aberystwyth, triffwynt. O, gladewch ar y dorf. Yn i di aros 90 o funudau. Digon di fflach am hwnna. Ond am fflach, wel, mae hwnna'n gol hynod o bwysig i Aberystwyth. Owen y capten, yn trio creu lle. Man y fymryn y le, lawr ag Wel, dyma yw cyfle. Gardyn Felen, ail Gardyn Felen, Mark Cadwaladr, bant ag Reit ar ddiwedd y gêm, mae Cadwaladr yn derbyn y Gerdyn Coch. I mewn i'r wal, a dyna'r floedd, a dyna'r chwiban, a dyna'r triffwynt yn saff. Evans yn dathlu, Aber yn dathlu. Ar Fflint, ar ei lluniau.
What an exciting finish. You looked as if you were perhaps happy with a point, but then obviously you'll take 3 points.
Yeah, like I said, first half we were under cosh a lot. I think they put the balls in the box, put under pressure, but I think we stood strong, and that's our second clean sheet in a row. I challenged the boys for that. It took a long while to get one, and 2 come at once, so I'll take another 4 clean sheets between now and the end of the season. But like I say, second half is slightly different. We had 1 or 2 chances. They still create, they're always going to, but you take a finish in injury time. It's happened to us here last game where we lost 3 points last game, so it's nice to get one ourselves and go on to take all 3 points.
What commiseration snatched from you at the end, but you had some very good chances as well during the game to win it, didn't you?
Yeah, as I said, the game was decided by 2 moments. Firstly, the wrong penalty taker taking the penalty, we missed it, and secondly, the goal. That's all he done, which is enough for them, which is 3 points, but they were slowing the game down. From the first minute, we looked like we were going to score every time we come forward. It's just disappointing. Football don't always give you what you deserve, in my opinion. And then you get the 3 points, so there's no point in crying over spilt milk. It pulls everybody now into a tighter scenario. And it's very interesting now towards now the end of the season.
Well, a couple of months ago we were talking to you about scoring a worldie to win a game, and you've done it again. It's pretty easy for you, isn't it?
Not always, unfortunately, but it was a tough game to come on to because it wasn't really much in the game bar the penalty save. So I just tried to come on and just, you know, when you come on to such a high tempo game, it's hard to catch your breath sometimes, but luckily today the ball's fallen to me in a position where I wasn't quite in a position to turn, so I've just chanced it with the overhead kick and thankfully it's gone in, so very happy.
Do you have time to think about it, or is it all instinctive or something like that?
Yeah, completely instinctive. I mean, when the ball falls to you, as most strikers in the league will know, sometimes it's just purely at that moment what you go with, and I've gone with that today and it's gone in, and couldn't be more happier.
And it's a big 3 points, isn't it?
Massive. I mean, it makes next week even bigger now with Ponty on the telly as well, I believe. So it doesn't get much bigger than that. I mean, I would fancy whoever, you know, let's be honest about it, whoever wins that game I think will go on and stay up. Let's make no bones about it. We'll be ready, and we'll give them hell next week.